In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter pre-market stocks in TradingView, specifically focusing on how to efficiently navigate the platform's stock screeners to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, these filtering techniques will help streamline your morning analysis and enhance your trading strategy. First things first, you'll want to log into your TradingView account. Most of you are probably familiar with this step, but just to recap, ensure you have your login credentials ready, as TradingView provides various security measures to keep your account safe. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the TradingView homepage where you can see a host of options and tools designed to help traders. Now, let's direct our attention to the right side panel of your screen. This is where you'll find the screeners, a powerful tool that allows you to filter and sort stocks based on different criteria. It's an essential feature for any trader looking to make informed decisions quickly. Once you're on the screeners panel, you'll notice several filters available to help narrow down your search. This is where the real magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options and what they offer. TradingView's extensive list of filters can seem overwhelming at first, but they are designed to be intuitive, and with a little exploration, you'll find them incredibly useful. Our goal today is to add a pre-market filter to the list. The pre-market filter is particularly useful for those who want to get a head start on the trading day, as it allows you to view stocks that are actively moving before the market officially opens. This can give you a significant advantage in powering your trading strategy by letting you spot potential opportunities early. To do this, look for the option that says Pre-Market. It should be visible among the various filters you have on TradingView. When you find it, give it a click. As soon as you do, you'll see that it adds itself to your existing set of filters. This intuitive addition process is one of the features that make TradingView so user-friendly. Once you have the pre-market filter defined, you'll quickly notice how your list of stocks adjusts to show only those that are active during this time. It's a dynamic tool that refreshes in real time, providing you with up-to-the-minute data to help you make more informed decisions. And there you have it, a straightforward way to harness the power of TradingView's screeners to highlight pre-market activity. Remember, getting comfortable with these tools might take a bit of practice, but the benefits they bring to your trading workflow are immense. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more tips and tricks to enhance your trading journey.